Welcome to our High School Excellence program, designed to empower students in 11th and 12th standard for academic success and personal growth. Our program prepares students for academic excellence through specialized coaching and guidance tailored to their individual needs. Students learn the importance of teamwork, cooperation, and interpersonal communication, essential skills for success in both academics and future careers. We provide stress handling guidance and mentorship, helping students navigate challenges and maintain a healthy balance between academics and personal well-being. Goal transformation is a key focus, empowering students to set meaningful goals and work diligently towards achieving them. Through mentorship programs, students gain valuable insights, make informed career choices, and develop essential life skills for future success. Join us in shaping future leaders and achievers. Enroll your child in our High School Excellence program today. Contact us now to give your child the tools they need to excel in high school and beyond.